Today I'm working on a 2013 BMW X3. Thought I'd make a quick video talking about something kind of unusual about these. This one has the N55 turbo engine, and this also applies for a 335 BMW, 135, all the other cars that have the same N55 engine. But this one it was in recently for a thermostat fault. The thermostat stuck open, and I could see the thermostat was just replaced. It looked like it was replaced with a kind of a cheaper off-brand one that wasn't OEM. So I said, this is probably the best place to start by just sticking a quality, genuine BMW thermostat housing in it and see what happens. So stuck that in, drove it for a little while. Fault returned, still says jammed open thermostat. So found a TSB about this actually, and the trans cooler here can cause this fault. It's not that difficult to get to. This is the trans heat exchanger. It bolts right to the radiator. It just goes right down here. 2 trans lines go to it. 3 coolant lines, you can see. These are the coolant lines. These are the trans lines. And this one, if you blow into the coolant inlet, it's completely restricted. So I guess what happens is, likely with a restriction here, it's just bypassing coolant somewhere else, or maybe it's upping the pressure and sending it, changing the way the cooling system works, and there's more heat somewhere than there's intended to be, or there's less, and it's causing a temperature discrepancy amongst 2 sensors that would cause it to say it's stuck open, the thermostat, because all it's using to determine if it's stuck open is just temperature at the inlet of the radiator and then back of the cylinder head, and it's just using temperature variations to determine, if it's stuck or not. There's no mechanical way it really knows. It is a mapped thermostat, so it can control it with the ECU, but it's just seeing something it doesn't like. So I guess this is what causes it. It's kind of unusual. I don't know exactly how the whole thing works as far as why it happens, but something to look into if you have a stuck open thermostat fault. You replaced your thermostat and it's still there. So not that difficult of a job. Mostly you just do it from the top. I had to go underneath it to pull the belly pan off, but everything else I'm pretty much just doing from up here. And just put a tray under it, and you'll lose, I don't know, maybe a half of a pint of trans fluid and some coolant, and that's about it. So that's all. Thanks for watching.